today we're gonna make a volcano. And it's gonna blast lava out. That is not real lava. We've got the ingredients and we're gonna pour out in the volcano. The volcano is gonna be built out of Lego. The lava is gonna come out of here. Here's what we need to make the lava. Vinegar, baking soda, food coloring that makes red, not black. You can see underneath it looks black, but it's red dark. These are all the ingredients.
Yeah, let's go do it.
We also need a spoon and a jug. Now we're going to put 4 spoons into a volcano.
Right, ready? Are you ready?
Wow. We're gonna do it one more time.
Are you ready?
You see if this dinosaur is gonna tip. Oh no, this dinosaur. Oh, this dinosaur.
Dominic.
Experiment was success and fun. And I learned that the world fills up. Bicarbonate of soda and vinegar makes carbon dioxide. Thanks for watching. See you again. Please subscribe.